back in is Shen. Looks, shoots, rebound comes out. In front, big chance for Delzato, who was following up, and Anderson was there with the answer. Here comes Nylander moving in. Nylander rags that puck a little bit. Leafs getting in a chain. Plays it up ahead. Hyman back in the net. Bozak leaping up into the fray. Couturier lost the puck. Here's Bozak. Waiting. Shooting. Scores! Deft, delicate, and deadly. Tyler Bozak. And the Leafs take the lead. It all started with Frederik Andersen and a big stop.
Well, two. And Gardner got caught stepping in here, and I just can't believe the way Frederik Andersen tracked this rebound attempt. There's the first one, but just perfect position to skate out top of the crease, and in perfect position for the second attempt. And then the Leafs go to town on the other end. A giveaway here by Couturier as Bozak does all the work in the offensive zone, steals the puck, and then rattles it off the post to give the Leafs a 2-1 lead. And the Leafs have been the better team by far in this second period.